Hi Chad, welcome to another stream. How are we all doing today? It is Monday, the 23rd of October of 2023. Sounds kind of fun. 23, sure, something like that. We're back for another stream. Got some dead snakes to fix. Apparently some PyC files that people are installing for some reason that I don't understand, but to each their own. Also, Debian made exactly the same mistake I did, so I have been getting emails all day about my Debian is broken, but no Debian here. Just somebody reported it to my bug tracker first, so Google decided that's where they're going. We're drinking Samuel Smith's oatmeal chocolate, or no, organic chocolate stout. There's also a Samuel Smith's oatmeal stout, which is really good, that I don't have, but I was thinking about when I said that out loud. But let me say hi to everyone who's here. Ethan was first today. Good to see you again. S1 Cube is also here. Roll Adrian's welcome back. Good to see you again. Rebels Coder is also here. Oatmeal chocolate sounds odd. I mean, you can get like oatmeal chocolate chip cookies. But yeah, in a beer that might be a little bit strange. Oh, ignore my face. Show the beer. Beer! Cheers, chat! And let me show off what we're working on. So, yeah, there's an intentionally bad file in the test suite, and CPython moved their files around. Now the configure is failing, and I suspect that it's broken for other versions as well. So we will figure out what all is broken. Install software properties common GNU PG2. I should have done -y. C-Dog says that is an awesome glass. Yes, this is specifically designed for stouts, apparently. I don't know, that's what the store said when I bought it. It's made by a company in Germany that I don't remember the name of, but those cookies are always weird to me, to each their own. I think my favorite, well, one of my favorite cookies is a peanut butter chocolate chip oatmeal cookie, which I think is delicious. Then again, cookies are delicious. I don't really I didn't really super differentiate there, but yeah. Kukya, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. I hope you're doing well. Yeah, I just want to show the problem first. I have to install libpython. Let's try 3.13 first. Yes, and it should error in theory. Unless 3.11 is different for no fucking reason, which also wouldn't surprise me. And time zone bullshit. And hooray! Okay, 3.13 is broken. Good. It's not just 3.11. Let's try 3.12. 3.12 should also be broken. Basically, we just need to adjust the configure script to not try and I see this file. 3.12 is broken, but 3.12 can. Oh wait, no, it's still trying to do the 3.13 one. The 3.12 succeeded. I suspect a patch didn't get backported properly. Or it got backported right after 3.12 landed. That probably makes most sense. The Dev Panda, thank you for the resub with Prime at 16 months. It's good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. Let's try this one more time with 3.11. This is the one that was reported to fail, so I expect it to fail. And that's 3.13. This should be the 3.11. All right, good. So there is a place on disk where these live. I don't remember where it is. And I don't think... Oh. It's gonna let me install less while those packages are in a broken state? Maybe. Yeah, it's gonna try and reset those up again. I don't know where the configure file lives on disk. I don't think this is gonna show me either. Or the postinst. If I can edit the postinst file directly, then I can test this out. Postinst file location Debian. varlib dpackage info. Yeah, it's gonna error one more time. 2 more times. varlib dpackage info lib python 3.13 testsuite.postinst. Hooray! We found the file. Okay, so we just need to, there's a little grep in here. We just need to add to that, which is test/bad. And so we have to egrep. Oh, egrep-v, we can just add to this. I think that's a not good regex because it's got a lot of backtracking, but I don't particularly care. Oh, I could probably do this and now it won't backtrack. Now it definitely won't backtrack. Yeah, so now if I do apt install if I do 3.13, it should succeed. And I think I'll apply this patch to damn, it's still, oh, that's 3.11. Okay, yeah, so that worked. I think I'm gonna apply this patch to 3.12 also, because in theory it will end up there eventually. So let me grab this here. Yoink. Actually, let's see what Debian did. Debian Python 3.11, since presumably they did the same thing. DSC, I want the actual test suite package. This file. Let me get this guy. Bloop. Gryffindor, hello. Why did I break your keyboard, idiot? Let's get my written offer today or tomorrow. Nice, congrats. That's good to hear. Debian libpever test suite postinst.in. Why is it .in? What grep did they do here? Oh, a bit more. I guess we can match this. Yeah. Let's see if we apt purge. We purged 3.13. And then we reinstall it. Okay, that file doesn't exist. Cool. Reinstall it and it fails, and then we can edit the file to add that thing in there. I don't think it's quite right though. Yeah, I saw that, Ethan. I saw that. They have the resolver part, which is the interesting part. I didn't really look closely as to whether they handle all of the parts to it, but I might yoink some of it and see what I can get out of it. I paste that wrong. Oh, interesting. They use grep-ev instead of egrep. I guess makes sense. You don't spell alone. It's based on Posey? Yeah, okay. Well, if it's based on Posey, then... Oh, yeah, I remember reading that. Posey is by Nathaniel, who really knows what he's doing. So I'm sure it's good. Don't know why it's separate from Posey, though. But also, I seem to remember something is missing in Posey. But also, it's been a while, so maybe they've done that already. Dogfish, hello. You ran into Nathaniel at a farmer's market? Nice. Yeah, Nathaniel was one of the people that I hung out with at PyCon one year that I went. I want to say they also interviewed at Lyft. No, that wasn't Nathaniel. It was, who was that? Another Python person. Was it Alex? No. I don't remember who it was. But we spent the whole interview not doing interview stuff and just talking about Python things. The Anthropic now. Oh. Okay, so if we match what Debian does, it seems to work. So I guess we can do that. We can do that, but I'm gonna delete all these and reclone them. Also, is 3.11 in security only now? It's the Python dev cycle. There's like a special website for it. Oh, also, we're gonna change something here. Improve new version. Runbook. Feel time like it, well, making dinner? Nice, nice. Rimborg says, today I fixed somebody's 2-hour Docker builds. Care to guess what was taking up 2 hours of the 2 hours? Was it building PyPy? Was it installing the scientific stack? Oh, I bet it was Conda. I bet it was fucking Conda. Was it Conda? Oh, you have it linked. Is this the one with the chart? Yeah. Yeah. 8.11, still bug fix. I see. Oh, still bug fix for a while. Oh wait, no, I don't know how that works. That's not how that works. How did you find that? DDLs. Enderspace, hello. How you doing? Kana with a mix of godforsaken science packages plus every other package NVIDIA has ever published. Yeah. Okay, so next tier. That's when I turn off nightlies for it. End of life.date/python. Is this the other one? Oh. Yeah, this is a little spooky. Because Sentry is create. I would like to upgrade that once the development environment is decent. Oh, this is the nice thing. This is what I want. Yeah. We're stuck for right now, but soon. Alex Leap, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. I hope you're doing well. Nezumi, welcome as well. Imagine being on a security patch version of Python. Yeah. 2-hour Docker build. Fuck, I've seen long ones too. We had this one image at Lyft that took forever. It ran salt stack like 4 times. It was terrifying. Okay, we have to clone 6 repos now. I got those. Oh, I pressed the wrong key there. Damn. Well, that's fine. Oh, it didn't work. This output stuff must garble the TTY while it's doing stuff. What's holding you back? Just getting on the code pedal? The main problem is if I bumped it to 3.9, everyone's development environment would be in like a weird mix of 3.8 and 3.9. Because we don't have the right scripty stuff to force people to the right version. But the tests all pass, so I'm pretty confident that it'll just work. But still need to do it. Still have half-fire deploy scripts running 2.7? Yeah. The center development environments are a little messy. Yeah. We've made it a lot better over this. Well, it hasn't landed yet, but we're working on making it a little bit better. The tough part is still PyEnv, which we're killing. At least you're on 3.7. You can use annotations. That's like the only useful feature that's come out in a real long time. From future import annotations. I know annotations have been around before then. We can't use annotations because one of the teams decided Pydantic. And Pydantic is like, we're going to be the most regressive Python library possible. We're going to break your runtime and your type checker. Marsha, hello, hello. Any Green Day in your head? Well, it's October. I don't know any of the lyrics, to be honest. And I feel like half the songs I can't say all the words because I'll get canceled. Green Day, though. Let me see what Green Day I've got in my musics here. I probably only have like 4 Green Day songs. What we got here? I have an entire album and then I have it unselected. But how you doing, Marcia? Good to see you again. September is over. Summer is coming past. It's true. It's true. Let me see this song. The fuck? Why do I not remember any of these words? Don't know that one. Lamau? I could probably do this one. Not that one. This one. I'm having trouble trying to sleep. I'm counting sheep but running out. As time ticks by, still I try. No rest for cross times in my mind. On my own, here we go. My eyes feel like they're gonna bleed. Dried up and bulging out my skull. My mouth is dry. My face is numb. Fucked up and spun out in my room. On my own, here we go. My mind is set on overdrive. The clock is laughing in my face. A crooked spine. My senses dull, past the point of delirium. On my own, here we go. Okay, there you go. There's some Green Day. Oh, we gotta restart the musics. All American Rejects, yeah, there you go. That's the. Can I sing Fire Alarm by Snow Patrol? Asks Silver L. I'm pretty sure I only know the one the one Snow Patrol song. And by the one Snow Patrol song, chasing cars. No. If I lay here, if I just lay here, would you lie with me and just forget the world? Except it's so slow. It's like a third of that tempo. But I actually don't know the other song. But I feel like it would be a good like I feel like you could take it from a slow song to being like a hyped up pop punky sort of song, like just like triple the tempo or double the tempo and just put a guitar riff behind it. That would slap. Raymond, hello, welcome back. Good to see you again. Also, the weird thing, the radio edit of this song skips I think it's these two chorus bridges or whatever. I don't know why. I don't, there's like nothing, maybe it's just two different recordings, but for some reason this chunk isn't always present in the radio edit. Ofki, hello, how you doing? Throwing a couple streams? Yeah. You're right. That's what they do. They kind of house electro mix it. Can't be telling the youths to forget what they're told, right? Okay, these are almost cloned. Do I still have the Debian thingy copied? No. No. Damn. libpever, testsuite, postins. And we'll grab this. I guess we can start on whatever is cloned already. Which is everything but 313 nightly. So we're gonna start from the bottom up. I'm going to focal. libpever, testsuite, postinst. We find the egrep, we paste. And we scrunch our eyes and stare at it real closely. Yeah, that looks fine. Update postinst for libpython 3.11 for testsuite PyC compilation. Yeah. I'm gonna have to lose my paste buffer. Ah! Local 2. Local. Then this. Local 2. Damn it, I gotta do my password manager. Give me a sec. All right. Let's try bad password. I don't think my GPG password is bad password. Oh, you got a chuckle emote there. Look at that. Choco Jam. GPG. Bloop. And bloop. Oh, I can just cherry pick for the other one. Yeah. You got a gift sub when you weren't even there. One. Ubuntu Jammy. Cherry pick that. This. Jammy 2. Copy this. And Jammy. Then we do this. Runbox release. A little bit of tedium here, but we will get through it. We're gonna do the more tedious ones first, which is the non-nightlies. The nightlies I'll just commit and not actually bump it, because it'll get updated tomorrow. No need to make more commits than needed, more pushes than needed. Lofke's also got the Choco Jam. Oops. Choco Jam. Oh. CHO tab gives me Choco Jam. Nice. Exactly as God intended. Paste. That is clearly not my password. GPG password. Bloop. That looks better. GPG password is Choco Jam. Could you imagine? Okay, so now we go to 3.12. I hope this works in 3.12. Didn't really think about this. Con MCMC, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. libpython 3.12 testsuite. Rep bad. Yeah, I think that will still match. Because slash bad syntax will still match all of these ones. Oh, but I don't think it'll match those two. Damn. That's annoying. Loki says, haha, we'd have Choco Jam as their password, right? Sweat. Okay, I think I have to skip 3.12 because the grep doesn't match the other one, but I'll know how to fix it later. How can I test? Might be able to just reconfigure or lib the package info lib python 3.12 test suite post inst. So if I do this passphrase, yeah, that's that's the text that I copied. I got a little spooked there for a sec though. Paste that. Case $1. Is there any other variables in this file? That is okay. So if I do bash this configure, fuck. That's annoying. That's annoying. Anti-Cinco says, do you have any other favorite snacks other than Python? Implying Python is one of my favorite snacks. Credit card telling me that I paid money to Twitch. Good job, credit card. Don't say anything lewd. I'm like, okay, I can't say milk snake. Enderspace says, how efficient is your Pokemon thing? What do you mean? In which dimension? Like time that it runs, or CPU usage, or cat fisting? Or like what? And Enderspace, I don't know which thing are you what's your metric? Alright, we're gonna skip 312 just because it's gonna be easier. So never mind on 312. Although well, I'm not gonna do the nightly because we're just gonna remember to do this later. Yes, says Loki. Well, currently it chews up a lot of CPU at the moment for the OCR engine, but we're hopefully gonna make that faster today. This particular method of shiny hunting is about 1 in 4100, and each reset takes about 2.5 minutes. So doing the math, that's about, is that the right math? 4100 times, let's say just 3 minutes. Yeah, that's about right. Actually, I think it's 3.5 minutes per reset. Should be about 10 days. Yeah. This one gets a shiny about once every 10 days. So not super often, but it gets there eventually. What? I'll just leave 312. Yeah, leave 312. Lazy lad, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Ubuntu Jammy. Sure, we'll do Jammy first. Damn, does not apply. Really? Did I change these packages at some point? Huh. That one was only test bad, so at some point these drifted. Oh, I know why. There's no lib 2 to 3 in right? Yeah, there's no lib 2 to 3. Okay, it conflicted for a good reason. Do 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 do. What was the commit message up here? Blap. Bloop 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 2. Got this. Jammy jammy jammy. Throw the OCR processing stuff on your hidden special magical server? What? What does that mean? Right, I'll give that a release. Zone out there for a sec. Bloop. Then we'll do focal. I know I did focal and jammy in the opposite order for the other one, but whatever. Ubuntu, focal, cherry pick, Ubuntu jammy, carrot. Then we need to focal 3. Yeah, because I made a mistake and I fixed it already. Focal. And then we have to do the nightlies. And I'm skipping 312. Maybe I'll just do 312. Yeah, we'll do 312 nightly. Because presumably they have also backported this change already. And I'll just have to remember it when 312.1 comes out. Which I think is actually soon, because I think there was a security patch. Or 312.1. Did I say 312.1? Did I say 312.2? I don't fucking know. NS Warrior, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. I hope you're doing well. Alright, 3.13 nightly. What is commit -m? This one? Ah, the nightly has upgraded the version of these pregment hooks. Cool. I guess I should look at this. Yeah, it looks good. Ubuntu jammy? What did I just do? I just did jammy. Okay, focal time. Yeah, the nightlies are much easier because we just make the commit. We don't have to do any of the release garbage. Okay, 3.12 nightly. So this still has the lib 2 to 3 stuff. But we need to grab from 3 to 11. But it has been reorganized. Fuck. Why? Weird? Well, we don't have to actually get apply then. We can do it this way. And grab this. It's good. So now we need to do 3.11. Surely the 3.11 one applies cleanly. If I check out the right branch. Hooray! Did I remember to push? We'll find out in a second. I know I pushed 3.11. Try to push these. Hooray! Okay. And 3.12 we are deferring to later. Let me make sure that I have all the other releases up to date, because I know that I skipped this one. Because I was doing this one. Okay, let's see if we got all then. Unless there's more. This is so hard to read. 3.12 release candidate. Yeah, we already did that. Okay, we should be good. Wait. I've just uploaded. Yeah, Twitch broke follow age. I might fix it at some point, but probably not. Okay, cool. So I can delete that email. All right, the next one is Python stuff. And I don't know that I've done Python development in a very long time. So yeah. The fuck is this? Holy shit. Oh yeah, I want to get rid of this 2 bytes. God forbid I do Satan dev too. Do you mean Python? Tux says, hello, do you do some AI? Tux, yeah, I've got some AI. You know what I mean? What the fuck does do some AI mean? Yeah, let me crush up some microchips and smoke them out of a bowl. All right. I have no fucking idea how the development environment of this thing is going to work, but we're gonna try and see what happens here. Bo-Rang, hello, how you doing? Are you a fellow AI trickster? I feel like we're getting a little spooky there. PXD. Alright, we gotta find... Oh, I don't have highlighting for... Oh, there's trailing white space. They don't have linting either. Of course they don't have linting. It's a borderline science library. But where's the set image binary? Set image bytes. Is that not in this file? What the fuck? Where is this goddamn API? Set image bytes. Oh, it's in the PyX file. Right. 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 Why are there two of them? Really doesn't matter. Borang, thank you for the resub at 2 months, which gets you a fancy new badge. It's good to see you again, and welcome back. Gucci Pie, welcome to the stream. Okay, so according to the Python docs, I just need to do this for the parameter. And then I don't need this. C U card T star. I think I can just do. Laura else says, do you have any work on any systems where some docs take you 3 times the dev time for integration? No, I would just quit. That sounds terrible. Alright, how do I fucking test this thing? Tester OCR experiment.pyx. Oh god, what is this? I see hacks. There's a Docker file. Oh boy. Why does it install tesseract 3? Can't be right. And test data 4. That doesn't sound right at all. How the fuck does this release work? Sounds more like it. Workflows, build. Oh boy. Oh god. Holy shit. What the fuck? Oh, it's CI build wheel, of course. So if I make a mini Linux 2014 image. Then run this bad boy. That doesn't actually install the useful bits. As our system gets complex with no docs, I have to squeeze some doc enriching time between user stories. It'll become unmaintainable. Do you have tests? This looks better. How long have you been writing code, and what got you started? Here's an FAQ playlist, which has the answer to that question. So go check that out. Oh, this is gonna fuck up this. 100%. Which is what we are trying to fix today. When there's big expensive C or C++ compilation, the timing on these gets a little fucked up. It mostly handles it except where it's very time sensitive, aka right now. This is probably gonna beep at me, so we're gonna check that it's not shiny. Yeah, that one is not shiny. Oh, it still managed to see the frames though, so we're good there. This one is also doing it. This one I can't see, so we'll see what happens. Fuck, this takes forever. Oh, nice. Didn't fuck that one up either. Maybe this is only using one core, and so it's fine. Oh yeah, it's just doing one core. Okay, yeah, we're fine. We're fine. No problems here. I'm surprised it didn't detect that it has 5 cores and can do whatever the fuck it wants, but... Oh, this is probably why mine didn't work. I've got AVX stuff here. Fancy. Oh, they're doing it with CMake, that's probably why. I did it with just the non-CMake build. But you would think CMake would detect how many processors there are and go burr. Shrugs. Oh, there was a warning there. Oh, here's another warning. Unpaired UTF-8 bidirectional character. Oh, this looks intentional though. Interesting warning. I've never heard of this. Never heard of this warning. I've heard of this character though. Used to do funny tricks with it on school computers. Inject a BDO character and see what happens. God, this takes forever. I guess I can set up some other stuff while it's going. Podman PS. Podman exec. Why is it taking so long to make a virtual lab? What does their tux do? Setup.py test. Fuck. You're probably using PyTester. Maybe not. Maybe they're using unit test. Oh my god, what is all garbage in here? Yeah, it's just a unit test. Ugh. Why do they still support? There's no way they actually support these, because I don't know how they would build them. Is this the setup tools find version? Oh, so they copied it from pip 1.5. And then through maintenance, random shit has been injected in between the two parts of it. Class files are sometimes added but rarely removed. Yeah. This is why I make setup CFG format manage them for me. Don't have to think about them. Oh my god, this is so slow. Do you use your code editor or do you use another code editor? Why wouldn't I use my own editor? Why the fuck would I make a code editor and then not use it? That's a silly question. Subtrahend. What the fuck is subtrahend? I should stop reading this file because it's just gonna make me sad. Sorry, this part's boring. We're just fucking waiting for this to build. I got nothing else. Well, maybe I have some other things. How are you doing today, chat? Yeah. They would use what your coworkers use? Why the fuck would I use what my coworkers use? There's no way they know better than what I do. I'm not gonna use someone else's preference for again VS Code or NeoVim or Emacs, and not gonna do what other people do just because they do it. You're using Ninja to build it? This thing? I don't know. I have no idea what this is. I think it's CMake. Yeah, it looks to be CMake. Generating GNU makefiles, which is the default. Yeah, maybe. I don't know. Hard to tell. Compiler, blah blah. I'm surprised there's such a new compiler here. Like, I feel like GCC 11 just came out. Disabling TIFF support. TIFF support disabled. Why the fuck would this need curl? That's kind of spooky. There's no reason an OCR engine needs curl. Why is LTO disabled? I feel like LTO usually good. Oh, to download the dataset? I guess that would make sense. I guess that would make sense. That's fair. No OpenMP, Sag? I don't even know what OpenMP is. Hopefully I don't need it. Oh, we're so close. And then it trolls me by doing 3 91% in a row. This is the file we need. Hooray. Oh, maybe not. I don't know how there's set up. The CFFI version that I did was using the CAPI. Might as well pip install PyTest while we're at it. And I think their tests use Pillow. Grab that too. Oh, I should put an image in there. Maybe we'll just make a numpy array directly. Open multiprocessing, it's a parallelism. Oh. Oh. Docker podman cp temp y crop to. Oh, there's 2 containers. Why are there 2 containers? 031 temp. We'll have something to try. Okay, we built the thing. Fuck, man. Pip install source. Okay, what's there? Cannot assign type const unsigned char to cu char t star. What happens if I just put this in the source? Is my terminal wrapping wonky? No, this file name's just extremely long. Watson, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. It errored again. Read-only file system. Motherfuck. It's good though. Shouldn't be writing to that anyway. It's wild how much the PyProject Toml adds. Be nice if well, I guess I could disable isolated builds, pre-install Python, and blah 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 blah. It is weird that const unsigned char whatever is different than uchar star pointer. Really? Do I need to do this? Yeah, apparently. Oh. No test data. Well, how the fuck do they get the test data? They probably clone somewhere? Yeah, they do. But that's fine. We can pip install test data. Thought bath-eng. Wait, which eng do they use? They use not fast. Testdata.eng. One is a 16-bit character. I don't know. The output looks fine to me, but maybe I'm missing something. What am I doing? Oh. I think it expects these at dot. Oh. Some tests are passing now. I'm hoping these failures are related to my change. Those seem utterly unrelated. Oh. No less. Interesting. None of their test calls set image bytes. Nomadic, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. I guess we can just fucking try. This is gonna be wrong. But it should tell us the error message. Should I pick 312? Because it would have told me the actual name. PyTest base API. Wrong number of arguments. Okay, what does set image bytes give us? Width, height. Width, height, bytes per pixels, bytes per line. Width will be im.shape1. Height will be im.shape0. Bytes per pixel be im.shape2. Bytes per line will be im.shape2 times im.shape1. There's no reason that they actually need this value because they can derive it, but I don't know why they do it. It's fine. Expected bytes memory view found. Const unsigned care. This is not quite right. It seems maybe better. Thanks, says Kingman came here from your excellent YouTube channel. Nice. Glad you enjoy it. We are on the second part of this. Cannot assigned. What the fuck is CUKRT? Python memory view to care star. What the fuck? Is it due to some other thing? C type to have const unsigned care. Don't think this is correct. Because it should be that the pointer's const, not that the character's const. Let's try changing that just because I'm curious. Like, I feel like these are supposed to be const pointers. Yeah, let's try this and see what happens. And assign type const unsigned care to oh no, we have a raid. Purple Elf, hello, how you doing? How was your stream today? Obus welcome. Dumb01, welcome. Purple Elf, welcome. Raid message. I am working on Tesseract right now. Const unsigned care star. Let's see if we put the actual type in here, if the thing works. And I'm mucking around with a C translation layer at the moment. It was good. Thank you. How are you? I'm doing well. Welcome to the stream. Num01 and Zion Bear. Thank you both for the follow. Gotta sleep. Have a wonderful stream. Well, thank you for stopping by. Appreciate you hanging out. And thank you as well. Oh wait, Purple Elf and Dumb, you are two different people. I just saw purple. My bad. But have a good sleep, Dumb. We wait for the TOML file to do its thing. God damn it. Really? Can it assign type const unsigned care bracket to... Why does it still have this? Yeah, why does it still have that? Oh, because we looked at the wrong file. Oh, I edited the wrong file too. Let's try this first. Let's look at this. We're gonna try and speed up the round trip here. They don't have this set up correctly? Yeah, weird. What is the option? No build isolation. There's no way that me looking that up was faster than all the amount of time it's gonna save me. But it's fine. Okay, so this is still the wrong thing. Const unsigned care star. CP pip. Damn. I don't know anything about Scython. Ah. Areas can we combine? Read only views. Yeah, this sounds good. So how do I pass this along to other things? Blah, blah, blah. Do I need to CDEF? I don't quite know what CDEF means. From a C function via pointer. This sounds like what I want. Oh. I just have to dereference it. Let's get rid of all of this. God, I hope this works. I'm gonna try this first. If that doesn't work, I'll put bracket 0 there. And now I have one command rather than trying to do the 3 commands in a row. Yeah. Can it take address of memory view slice? Okay. The backslash did nothing. But why? Wait, this is a different output. Invalid command beatist wheel. Yes, indeed. Let's try this one more time. This should install now. In theory. Take that sweet old time. Oh, because it has to build the actual C stuff. Whoever has wrong number of dimensions, expected 1, got 3. What the fuck does that mean? Whoever has wrong number of dimensions. Does a memory view have a dimensions associated with it? Oh. I thought they were just contiguous block. Yeah, how does it know that it's the wrong number of dimensions is the weird bit here. Yeah, memory views have dimension. Let's try the what was the original thing that the thing said to do? ::1. Got it for a minute. What's the issue? I don't fucking know what I'm doing in Python. Apparently this only allows one-dimensional memory views. But I need arbitrary dimension memory views. Apparently I can do with this. Usama Maksud, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Doesn't work, I'll just give up on it. It didn't make much of a difference in the performance tests I was doing. Although I didn't actually have... I actually end up getting a good performance. I don't. God, this takes a long time though. I don't know what this syntax is though. Requests a C contiguous view. Ooh. Cool. Maybe that probably means it'll work then. Fuck. Why? Line 1608. I don't understand this error message. I pressed wrong number of dimensions, expected 1, got 3. Justin the Penguin says, can I ask a really stupid question? Well, you've already asked one. Sure. Yeah, I know the comma means 2D. How hard do you think it would be to learn coding and work for the NSA? Why would you want to work for the NSA? You want 3D? Try : 1? Oh. Well, I want it to accept any size. Using Python arrays instead of NumPy arrays, you don't need to check if the data is stored contiguously. Oh. Oh. This is what I would need. Okay, so this is not as simple as I expect, and it would still incur a copy here. Okay, so I'm just probably about it. You know, 20 to 30 0 days at the moment. But you're not a programmer, so that seems pretty unlikely. I don't think memory reviews support arbitrary dimensions. Yeah, you're probably right. As contiguous array. Does this just mean it returns a 1D array? Oh no, it just makes it C contiguous. Got it. What was their little example here? Oh, they just fucking assign it. So maybe if I don't call .data, it'll work. There's no way. Yeah. Okay, well. Yeah, memory reviews do, but Python doesn't know how to turn this not necessarily contiguous array into a contiguous array. Which is fine. So, okay. I guess I should probably do my part and comment on this. So I poked at this a bit, and it's a little more complicated. Actually, that change would allow it to accept memory views, but the CV2 arrays are not necessarily C contiguous, is what tesseract expects. Here's this start of that patch, but doesn't actually get me way here, unfortunately. And even if and making a C contiguous array from a CV2 numpy array incurs a copy anyway, so it. The other thing that's really weird about this library, unrelated, is no ix. The weird thing about this library is they define a deallocation for this class, like a destructor, but they also define a context manager. And so the context manager is going to cause it to dealloc twice, as far as I understand. Which, seems wrong. Can I link the issue? Yeah, let me post the comment and then I'll, I will link it in chat. Hello? Get up! Oh, it posted it. It's weird. Maybe it's because I clicked post while I was in the preview. Okay, but anyway, it seems to me like the destructor would get called twice in the case where the context manager is used. And it also seems like the context manager is not needed at all because dealloc covers that for me. This one. So dealloc is like the Python destructor garbage collection routine. And then their exit also calls this too, which seems strange to me. Augusta round. Hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. He also says, Anthony is talking C code. What has happened? This is Scython. This is worse. It's like a bastard child of C and Python. This is why I want to do CFFI, because wouldn't have all these issues, but that's fine. Okay, so what do we want to do? Does end API check if the pointer is null? But it wouldn't necessarily be null. No, it just calls end, which this is what it'll look like? No. Void? Yeah. Void end. Which I believe, how does it work? This is the C++ class, yeah. Which then tesseract source. Oh fuck me, where is this gonna be? Why is it not? Oh, because it's gonna be this. Yeah, that makes sense. Right, C++ methods, yeah. I forgot what I've just done. Oh god, that was a little bit. End is allowed to be called more than once. I would think that it calls a double delete, right? Oh, I guess delete on null pointer is allowed, and that's allowed, right? C++ 11, change this. The value of the operand of the delete expression is not a null pointer value. The delete expression will call a deallocation function, otherwise it is unspecified. Okay, if it's a standard deallocator, then it does nothing. Yeah. So it does deallocate twice unless it is a non-standard allocator. But yeah. I don't want to report the bug because I want to use the destructor and not the context manager. And if I report the bug, I feel like they'll delete the deallocator and just be like, only use the context manager. So I'm just gonna fucking ignore it, Lamau. Okay, anyway, we played around with this. That was fun. Goodbye, Docker container that I spent an hour building. All right. I'm gonna difference here. Oh, I'm going to make a different clone of this just because these are running right now and I don't really want to fuck with them. Oh. And we will swap out the Tesseract OCR engine with this. Anthony picked the Monopoly Developers Edition chance. Software bug in your favor, don't report the bug and you get $100. Yeah. It's kind of true. I I am intentionally avoiding reporting a bug. The bug, in theory, has no ill side effects because C++ double delete is somewhat well defined. I'm gonna say no. Just because we are not gonna be cding into this random directory in the future. Okay, we need tesser OCR and test data. So we can get rid of this. Okay. So I think what I'm gonna do here is, are there typing stubs? Probably not. Be nice if I installed them too. This. No, there is just a single file in there. I can make quick stubs for them though. This is my stubs though. Ethan, do you want to help me draft a PEP that lets me provide typing directly from single file distributions? Basically PEP 561, but for like 90% of my packages. I would love to. I feel like it wouldn't be that hard. It would just be something in the package metadata. Probably entry points. Could probably do with entry points. Like, I don't remember if they can have dots in them. I mean, did have a PEP I wrote on a plane a couple of years ago. Oh. Like I would love to be able to just be like, pi.typed equals. I don't think that syntax is correct, but. Pair.dumbledoor new missing one. Yes. An inscrutable error message from importlib metadata.collections. Why is no? It should be. This is the one that I want. And then, oh, it'll be in entry points because that is separate for some reason. Yeah, so then we could get something like this. And then type checkers could read this. My laptop died, so all I have is a ZFS encrypted copy of the disk. Oh no. Krisky says, have you ever written an Android app using Python with Qt? Qt? I have not. I have not. Test base API. I could probably stubge in this, but this is test base API. And then I know that it has a set image bytes. The Gel Mega! Yo, welcome back. Good to see you again. Thank you for the resub at 18 months, which gets you a fancy badge. I hope you're doing well. It's good to see you again. And how you doing? How you been? Image bytes, width, int, height, int. This is an ugly ass function. And then it's bytes per pixel int, and then bytes per line int. None. And then get UTF-8 text. Stir. That is probably actually enough. Oh, we need init as well. Path stir, lang stir. Good enough for me. Mentally not the greatest. Dysphoria and dysmorphia are awful, but other than that, all right. Well, I'm sorry to hear that, but I'm glad you're doing well otherwise. Okay. God, I fucking hate the name of this thing. PyTest Base API. Test data path English. That's it. That's all we need. And your 4090 died, you. Oh no! No warranty. That sucks. That is unfortunate. Okay, so I think we'll just underscore this because no one should actually need it. They should be using the nice function. Expensive lesson to learn. Never get anything from Newegg because while they sell in the UK, they don't care. I haven't seen anything positive about them. I feel like they've worked fine in the US, but yeah, I don't know anything about non-US uses there. Yeah, I definitely want to make this underscored because this thing is mutable and I don't want someone to fuck up the base one. Really, I could mark this as object and then no one would do that. Maybe I make this none? This is object, so no one fucks with the internals? Nah, it's only me. I'm defending against myself. I won't fuck it up. Test API not set image bytes. Crop not 2 bytes. we've converted it to U8 here, so crop.shape1, crop.shape 0, 1, crop.shape 1. I should actually match the parameter names here. Oh, we did get nice help. Bytes per pixel, bytes per line. That was close. Int. Oh, I haven't set up the linters here. What is this exactly? Because when I read tests, my brain automatically goes to geometry tessellation. It is a optical character recognition. It's tesseract. Tesseract OCR, but we are switching to a Pythonized version instead of subprocess because it will be much faster. Much faster than converting to PNG, and then it converts back and loads the models over and over. Oh, we do need to also set the PSM here. PyTest base API. I have to do dots in it. Kill me. Dumble under new. Well, that fucking sucks. Path lang PSM int. We could make their little enum here, even though it's not actually an enum. PSM equals tesseract.psm dot whatever the fuck the one is for 7. Single line? Yeah. And then we need to adjust our little stubs here. Not a real enum, but that is fine. I think these all technically have defaults, but I'm going to say that they are required. My stubs don't match, but that's fine. Nick, hello, welcome back. Good to see you again. Right. Wait, what thing? What was running against this file? MyPy? MyPy, must have been MyPy. Huh. Yeah, wait, what gave me that one error? Because it sounded like a PyFlex error. Nope, it's MyPy. Okay. As expected. Okay, so we got this, set image bytes, and then return this API to get utf-8 text dot strip. That in theory should work. Oh, wait, we're gonna do is pixels per bytes per pixel, bytes per line. Thank you, MyPy and Flake8. I forgot to import all of our goodies. You or you? Wow, it's happy. Let's try it on something. Grips. It's in the Scarlet Violet. Has types. Possibly an invalid test data path. Oh, duh. I need test data.fastEnch. I got the wrong package. You would think I would know my own brand new package. Why did it instantiate the... What is the stack trace here? Oh, right, it builds it at import time. Maybe I don't want that. Maybe I don't want it to build at import time. Yo, that's so fast. Holy shit. God damn, it's so fast. Here, I'll give you a little comparison. See how they basically show up instantly? Rips, Scarlet Violet, type, Psychic. Look at how slow this is. Oh my god, it's gonna make such a difference in the amount of CPU burn here. You mounted it and can't seem to find it? Ah. Well, we'll just have to write a new one. Yeah, let's not construct that on import. We'll just make it default to 9. Test API equals test API or test API. Sick. There's probably other calls to tesseract as well. Yes, in the threads script. Oh, yeah, that's a bit annoying. Yeah, because I want to do something similar to what this was, but not as broken. Maybe we will make a little helper function, because this is a little bit clunky. Test text u8. Right. And I don't need to do that here. Yeah. So that seems pretty straightforward. And then there's all sorts of other cool stuff that I can do with this. Like I can use tesseract to only match a subset of things. Use tesser OCR. Speed up OCR. I'm going to interrupt this one and have it run with the new thing and see if it is successful. It doesn't actually do that much text reading though. I guess it does because it boots the game and then fucks around with stuff. Wait. We'll wait for this one to get through this next reset and then we'll try it out. It's on skip 3, so it's almost there. Skip 3 is the last one. Oh, Google Sheets changed their logo. I only noticed because I have my shiny Pokemon spreadsheet open, and this is definitely different than this. Ah, yes, brand synergy. How could they possibly be different? Okay, so the OCR engine will be slightly different because I'm using the 5.x version instead of the 3.4 version. But I hope it's only... Oh, what the fuck? No way. No fucking way. It's shiny. What the fuck? Ah, no. Well then. I guess we will be not trying this out for a second because I don't really want to risk a shiny Pokemon on the fucked up scripts. But let me yes, I am intentionally closing out of the game with the shiny. I'm going to change it to the shiny that I want. MRB reset. We are looking for 5 stars. It's so funny. What the fuck? Now we're hoping that we get Venusaur, but Famali, which is a 1 in 8. I already have 3 shiny Venusaurs that are not the right gender. Damn. I could try it with this one, but we can't watch it because this capture card doesn't support dual streaming. Anthony Master Pokemon gender discrimination. Well, it's not my fault they have 2 different formies. Oh, but that's cool. We haven't seen a shiny on stream in a while. So cool that happened. And given that it's like 1 in 10 days, like the probability of happening on stream is pretty low. But now what it's doing is it's doing 2 date skips and then checking the Pokemon. And if it's the right Pokemon, then we'll do the encounter. If it's the wrong Pokemon, it'll reset and it'll keep doing that until it cycles onto the right Pokemon. Because once it's on the right Pokemon, then either ain't shiny. Do 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 do. But I think I got the wrong star count there, so it started over. Yeah. So it's gonna do this for a bit. Damn. Or I could get cocky and run this script with the new tesseract stuff. Because surely it works, right? Definitely no suffer bugs here. Oh, I don't know what to do here. I feel like this is not good content while I'm just sitting here watching a script play a game. Ah. We showed it worked here, so maybe we can just do it. Yeah, I'll control C this and we'll do it live. Fuck it. It'll be a good test. And sure, I'm risking, 10 days of run, but there's no way I would save over it, so I'm not scared. Ain't afraid of no ghosts. It's weird that the two grays look different. So maybe I'm just imagining. Oh yeah, no, they're definitely good different. Wolfred, well, hello, how you doing? We just encountered a shiny Pokemon. I'm resetting to make it a Venusaur. This is not the right one, so I'm just gonna do Control C. That. And we're going to check out Tesseract OCR. And then we're going to try the same script. And in theory, it should just work. Smile? Oh, right. Song loops. This data, tesseract. Working so far. Figured out the date. Yeah, it is way faster to do the text recognition. Sempsai, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Oh, it doesn't do any text recognition for a while. I don't remember how the script works. Match text in here. Invite others. Yeah, so it did do a text recognition. And this one. In theory, doing something here. It didn't see whether it did the right thing though. That is way faster than it used to be, but I guess if the button works, then I'm just worried that I have a bunch of scripts that depend on text recognition being slow. And so I'm gonna have to add a bunch of weights in places, but yeah, like going into the game there was like instant. Because it saw this text very, very quickly. And it usually doesn't do that. Okay, but I got the wrong Pokemon there, so that's good. Yeah, it seems like it's working. At a terrifying pace. Oh, there's also this text for the start. Oh, and for the DLC check, but I don't have the DLC check on right now, so skipped. Cool. Well, yeah, I mean, this seems good, so I'm just gonna merge it. Git checkout me, git merge Chester OCR FF only. And then I will monitor it and see what happens. But it looks pretty good. It's super fast. Certcot says I'm new watching you and want to make a question. Are you developing this video game only for fun and teaching? So I'm not actually developing a video game. I'm playing a video game. You can check out the command the bottom right corner. I'm playing a video game with code for shiny hunting. Yeah. That's what it's doing. And we worked on making it faster today by using a library that goes burr. I bet I could use the better English library too, and it would be not as slow as the old one, but much more accurate in text. I'm a professional Pokemon cheater. It's not cheating per se. It's just tool assisted. There's nothing. I'm not doing any memory editing or you know, Game Shark sort of things. It's just simulating button presses. It's more like a task run than anything else. Funpet says making a bot. The bot already exists. I'm making it better. I'm a shiny connoisseur. Yeah. To an extreme level. I'm worried that it doesn't sit on home screen long enough, but I mean, if it works, yeah, it does work because it's getting watts every time. If it were people rather than shiny Pokemon, he'd be in jail for years at this point. I mean, you can't really automate people. Not for lack of trying. No, wait, isn't that my job, is automating people? Later. If you don't need to grind yourself, is it really worth the reward of a shiny? Listen, the amount of time grinding these scripts, I'm probably saved some time doing this, but I have spent probably 1,000 hours working on these scripts. And so I don't know that I've broken even. But damn, I've learned so much stuff doing this. I think the reward of learning has been far more than anything else. And I'm now in the mood where I just want to try and automate more controllers because I have the Switch. I got the touchscreen working on the 3DS. This is my pre-touchscreen version. And I got a GameCube. You're in 2023 and your game is in 2025. I have learned that the Switch maxes out in 2060. So after 2060, the Switch doesn't exist anymore. Does the game detect automated behavior? It couldn't really know because it's you know, it's just a special controller. There's no memory modification. It's Vanilla switched. I haven't hard modded it. I haven't soft modded it. It's just normal switch. Okay, so this is not the one we want, so we press enter to skip. I mean, they could, in theory, detect like button presses happening too often or a switch staying on for 3 weeks straight, but yeah. I haven't gotten banned yet, so I don't think it's gonna happen. I'm a little worried about it though, because my entire shiny collection is in their cloud storage, and I only have the ones before the Switch era backed up. In theory, I could back up all the other ones, but there's been no game since the Switch era that actually holds every Pokemon. But humans game for 3 weeks without eat or sleep. I mean, it's not unheard of to have a game plugged in for 3 weeks in a row, just on your TV. So I don't, you know, I'm not online for most of my scripts. The raid one I do go online, but I don't use that one very often. And that one doesn't look different than a human because it's literally just fucking mashing A. Yeah. And now that this is my primary switch, it doesn't run a DLC check every time I boot the game either, so that part doesn't look sus as well. Fompez, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. But yeah, I'm pretty sure this update will break some script of mine that assumes text recognition is slow. But the Sword and Shield script seems to be working fine. Anyway, that's all I really want to get done today. So, I don't know, should we sit around until I get the shiny Pokemon, or what do you want to see, chat? I think I'm just gonna wait until I get the Venusaur here. It's a pretty small chance. Like I think it's a 10% chance of a 30% chance, so it's a 3%. It's not great. Humongous says, how do you feel about the future job market for incoming software engineers and data scientists? Still a good career path. There will always be demand for software engineers. Do not expect AI to replace anyone if that's what you're asking. And the software industry is only growing. The job market right now is a little shaky just because there's, you know, a tiny global recession in just about everything at the moment. Which is why the job market clamped down a bit. There was a weirdly bullish market during COVID, which led to a lot of overhiring, and we're seeing a bit of correction there, but I'm not worried, to say the least. But yeah, I guess we can just do Q&A while this runs. So if you have questions, I can answer them. Also need to figure out what video I'm gonna make this week. I've been bad about recording, so a lot of them I've been recording like, I don't know, the morning that the video goes live. There was one video that was like 2 minutes late because I literally recorded it right before, and I was waiting for YouTube to process it to HD. Oh, this one might be a nice one. The only place I use backslash is in Python. Yeah, that'll be a quick, fast video. Is grad school at all worth it for data science? I have no fucking idea. I'm not a data scientist. I can't say that I understand what it takes to be a good or bad one. I will say that I haven't met any good data scientists. Well, maybe that's not true. I guess there's one or two. Most data scientists that I've met are not good software engineers, but their job does not necessarily require them to be good software engineers. Something says, I feel really safe for my job. A is not good enough, and looking at Twitter game devs, I'm really safe. Yeah. I don't think that's true, Fompaz, but also you are trying to sneak around the intentional banned words, so please do not do that. I'll see you in 60 seconds. I also don't think what you're saying is true either, because the AIs are confidently wrong about things, whereas Stack Overflow is a little bit more curated for correctness. There is a lot of, you know, wrong stuff on Stack Overflow, like, don't get me wrong, but it is, you know, at least there is opportunity for discussion, and it's not just presented blatantly as fact. The first of those words was banned, yeah, not the second one. In the modern architecture, it feels like data scientists need to be better software engineers. Absolutely. I wish they were. But, yeah. Wanted to test an AI is getting dumber. Yeah, that sounds right. Too much of the current data science stack requires at least a minimal amount of software knowledge. Yeah, yeah. No, Stack Overflow is definitely not banned. That would be pretty funny though. Yeah. Renegade Zed says, I've seen job postings on LinkedIn asking for 12 years of experience for junior data analyst positions. Yeah, that's the thing about job postings. They're never fucking accurate. Ignore years of experience requirements. They're almost always wrong. They are written by people who usually aren't part of the development team. They're like recruiters or whatever. And they're plagiarized to hell from other ones. Very rarely do you see a job posting that's actually written by, you know, the someone on that team. Sometimes they're fucking hire the actual manager for the team, and even they don't know what, you know, experience is required for something. Lightspeed says, on Stack Overflow, when I see X fix my problem, I assume it won't work. I look for X may be caused by it, which is much more reliable. Yeah. 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 There's also a lot of like, I think like Stack Overflow is a useful tool to show how something was, like how a problem existed and how somebody solved it. But then you can use that information to figure out the actual problem and the actual solution. Or for like basics, it's good, but I don't know. There's a lot of like gimme the code sort of answers on Stack Overflow, and I feel like those aren't good. It requires 15 years of experience in Mojo, yeah. But also good to see you again, Lightspeed. Okay. But yeah, I don't think software jobs are going away. I mean, you look at my Copilot clip. I don't think things have gotten better since the original beta of that. But reminds me of a person on Twitter that says something like, I can't get a job at company because it required 5 years of experience in technology. It's only been 3 years since I created it. Yeah. I did see pre-commit in a job listing. Somebody sent it to me, I want to say like a year or so ago. That felt pretty cool. But I don't know why you would need job experience in pre-commit. It's literally fucking config file. Then again, I feel like some people should get a job experience in it because people do some dumb shit. Renegade Zen says, I'm trying to change careers, so I jumped into a boot camp for data science. I've spent some good money on it, and I've been trying to get an opportunity down in the field, but damn, 130 plus applications, it's rough out there. Yeah, and right now is a tough time. Bumpus says, thoughts on PyQt? I've been using PySide 6 and with QML for some small personal projects. I have not done a graphical UI in Python. Besides like the Hello World and Tkinter. So I have no idea. I don't know anything about it. I do know one of the maintainers, or at least one of the people that contributes a lot to it, but don't know. Sorry. Dan Robot, hello, hello. Good to see you again. Welcome back. Fuck it, we write, indeed. Well, right now it's fuck it, we watch a script do things. The biggest issue you have with using AI for code, prove that you have a license for the code you learned on and that it knows how to respect licenses. Yeah, it absolutely does not. Tinker makes amazing looking UIs. Trust me, I've made one. I can feel the sarcasm. Valigo has got a fancy partner badge, level low. Getting back to Python after a couple years of not running it, and your stream has been very good, very cool and chill. Welcome, welcome. Are you a software developer streamer, or do you have your badge for someone else, for something else? Hollow Knight. Oh, well, welcome, welcome. I'm just creeping on your your Twitch dashboard. Oh, that's a cute emote too. But yeah, right now what we're doing is I just upgraded my script that plays Pokemon to an improved, it's the same text recognition library, but an improved way of approaching it. Which is way faster than the previous approach. And we're just sort of validating this. I just encountered a shiny Pokemon, and so it is trying to change that shiny Pokemon to one that I want. A washed up speedrunner, hey, there you go. But a speedrunner nonetheless. Oh my god. Yeah, this is a truly beautiful Tkinter UI. Oh. Nice. Nice. Little Red Demon says, what is the script written in? So this script up here is Python. I mean, this isn't the code for it. But there is also a bit of C that runs on a microcontroller. This boy here. Most of the code that I wrote is not this. Well, I did rewrite that part, but most of the code I wrote is this giant switch statement to forward along the right button presses. And then the actual thinking bits of this live in Python. If we look, we're running two of these scripts right now. The one up here is this MRB reset script. And the basic way this works is there is a bunch of states, and a state has a name and has a bunch of these that are condition, action, and then new state. So this allows it to transfer between a bunch of states. And I have a bunch of like pre-written states here, but it allows you to press buttons or wait or detect pixels on the screen or search for text or all sorts of other things to basically play the game automatically with a little bit of computer vision. And yeah, I use it to automate shiny Pokemon. It's on a real Switch. This is the microcontroller that plays the Switch. I have also done a hard mod for the 3DS. Here's the the first version, which has much cleaner wiring. Before I was like, oh yeah, I need to automate the touchscreen, and then that fucked all my wiring. And yeah, there's wires coming out the side and out the front of this that I soldered directly to test pins on the board. I also have one for a GameCube. This is actually the Wii, but GameCube controller. And I soldered wires to the reset button, this button right here, but inside itty bitty tiny pins, so that I could play Pokemon Coliseum automatically as well. But yeah, we're watching the Switch one go right now. It is currently trying to find a 5-star raid. We'll see. This is 4 stars. We're looking for 5. And inside the 5 stars, it could be a Venusaur. That's the Pokemon I'm trying to get. And then that Venusaur could be the right gender. I've gotten 3 that are the wrong gender, but it's a 1 in 8, and we'll get there eventually. It was only there to prove that the UI could call into our backend Python for the serial port communication. Oh, nice, nice. PyQt has better looking UIs? Yeah, I imagine. Small Knight says, gave my 1-month resignation on Friday. Oh, And I have a week of sick leave left, so guess who's chucking his sickie today? Hey, there you go. I should have used up my sick time on my last job, but I did not. And it did not get paid out because my state doesn't require it. My PTO wasn't going to get paid out either, but my manager was like, yeah, just take a 3-week vacation. Smile. And I was like, chill, peace, bye. Then fucked off for 3 weeks, came back for 1 day, and then I should have come back for a whole week. Because I didn't do the math at the time that I was doing it, or the time I was taking off. Because it put me like within a week of a vest. So I should have got one more vest, but my company can't afford to pay me out. Damn, that sucks. Well, at least you're getting out of a presumably not great employment situation if your company can't afford to pay you out. But oh, it's fucking Venusaur. Let's go. All right. Enter to skip. Control D to exit. All right. So this will be a shiny Venusaur. I'm happy to hear that companies are required to pay you out. Europe does this much better than the US. All right, don't invite others. Some will join the battle. Okay, we're hoping for a pointy little thing on the center of the flower. That's the non-male version. I can't really tell. I think that one's male though, unfortunately. There's the shiny animation. Yeah, I can't really tell because it's the middle of the flower will either be a little hat or it'll be flat. Flat one is male. The hat one is female. Is it just repeating or is there any learning and adapting to it? I mean, I did the programming of it, so it is playing a particular set of things. There's no need for it to learn. There's also no need for any like fancy processing libraries. It's doing a rather simple task. Yeah, this is not the kind of see the round one there. That's the male one. That's not the one I want, but oh well, we'll catch it anyway. But yeah, now I can play a Switch using the terminal. Because I don't have a script to like play these out, but way. Oh, what is this UI you sent me, D-Dells? X-Trap. But anyway. Oh, and then I'll get to restart the script. Yeah. That's the final UI for the project? Oh, it's a little bit better than the ugly green thing. They're gonna milk me for work until my last day? Damn. Can't just like rest and vest, as we would call it at Lyft. I'd like to join your LinkedIn network. Who the fuck are you? Laura, I don't know you. I get so many cold invitations on LinkedIn. It's kind of nuts. Oh, this song's looping. Okay, but anyway, I'm gonna play this out. That's gonna wrap us up for today. We got our stuff working, which is really cool. My name is Anthony. I upload educational content to my YouTube channel at youtube.com/anthonywritescode. Currently once a week. Check that out. Subscribe. If you missed any part of the stream, you can catch up on the VODs channel, which I'm very close to getting to YouTube partner with. Very close. Not there yet, but soon. I normally stream Monday evenings and Saturday at noon. I announce my streams on the Discord, which you are free to join and come hang out with us. There's a beginners channel if you want to ask programming questions, and then a bunch of other fun social channels as well. So join there and come hang out with us. But that's going to wrap us up for today. Thank you all for stopping by, and let's go find someone to raid.